Welcome to World Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this very limited edition BMW M4 DTM Champion Edition. Okay, obviously finished in white, total of 200 cars worldwide, fitted with the M4 engine tuned to 500 brake horsepower. Very special car. It's got adjustable sports suspension. We've got these 5-spoke 19 and 20 inch wheels fitted in matte grey, which cover carbon ceramic brakes. Tyres built for the track, Michelin Pilot Cup 2, and also loads of carbon fibre. As we walk around the car, we'll see just how superb condition it is. The car has done 12,000 miles and it does offer the best value in the current market. Although it has done 12,000 miles, it's not £100,000 plus like a lot of the other cars are. The car is still in superb condition with no accident damage, apart from a few stone chips, as you'd expect and you'd like to see rather than being covered up. The car is stunning. Okay, so we've got carbon fibre roof, bonnet panel, obviously this rear large spoiler, and also these side sill extensions. Everything's built for lightweight, so there are no rear seats on this car. 0 to 60 times 3.8 seconds. As I say, there's only 200 worldwide, much less for the UK. Front spoiler finished in carbon fibre with these aero flicks. The rear diffuser is also in carbon fibre. We've got these 4 tailpipes coming out underneath, and it's a titanium silencer, sports exhaust obviously. Inside the car, we've got the BMW M4 carbon bucket seats with provision for harness on the roll cage in the back, and also a fire extinguisher. Loads of Alcantara sports steering wheel with a display on the top. We've got a head-up display, obviously professional navigation and aircon. It's got full service history, we've had free services at BMW. Superb condition. Slight bit of wear, but it's not wear, it's just discolour where you get in and out of these big bucket seats. Carpets and everything's all in superb condition. Again, for lightweight, we've got the pull cord for the doors. We've got folding door mirrors, which are also carbon fibre. In the boot, again, nice, very clean, nicely detailed. No damage. Again, we've got the harness there, the 4-point Luke harness. We've got the tools for adjusting the suspension, toolkit with the car, with the locking wheel bolt. The wheels are all in perfect condition. We've got the book pack and the service history with the car. Underneath here, we've got the original tyre inflation kit unused. Front and rear park sensors, LED headlights, superb stripes and everything, very BMW. And condition, I'll just zoom in on this front panel for you. A few tiny stone chips, but very little for a car of this type and of this age. So there we have 3 litre BMW M4 engine, more carbon fibre, and also the other side of that bonnet is the carbon weave showing. So we'll take you down the road in it in a few moments just to show you how it goes. Not that I'm the best driver in the world, but it still will do. And if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725. Thanks for looking so far. Okay, we'll just take you over the road in this M4 DTM Champion Edition. Carefully.